This problem is asking us to write the equation of a line with the given properties. The line has a slope of -2/5 and it goes through the point 0, -1. When I'm going to write an equation of a line, I like to use the y equals mx plus b form, which is also known as the slope-intercept form of the line. It is called that because it includes the slope as part of the equation, m, and 0, b is the y-intercept. So I get the y-coordinate of the y-intercept from that equation as well. So in this case, I'm given the slope, so I know m is -2/5, and I have a point, and this point actually actually has 0 as the x-coordinate. So they have given me the y-intercept. I recognize that because if the x-coordinate is 0, this is where the line crosses the y-axis. So the y-coordinate is going to be the b value. So I can go to my equation and write y equals m, in this case -2/5, x plus b. And I could write plus a -1, but a simpler way is to say just a straight -1. So that is my equation. It has a slope of -2/5 and it goes through the point 0, -1. I'm going to go ahead and do one more of the same type. This says write an equation of a line that's going to have a slope of 6 and goes through the point 0, 0. So when I actually set up my equation, again I have y equals mx plus b, and in this case I know my m, my slope, is 6, and my b, again they gave me the y-intercept. I know that because the x value is 0, and that is when the x value is 0 you get the y-intercept where the line crosses the y-axis. So in this case my value for b is 0. So when I go to write my equation, I have y equals 6x, and then b is just 0, so I can write plus 0. But when you add 0, I can just leave the 0 off. It doesn't change the value, and I get y equals 6x for my equation. Anytime you get an equation like this, y equals a number times x, and there's no constant term, it means that equation does indeed go through the point 0, 0. It goes through the origin when you graph it. So if I was going to graph an equation like that, one of its points is going to be actually 0, 0. This one has a slope of 6, so it would go up 6 over 1, and I'd get a pretty steep line that goes through that point.